Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox experience public. First, launch Roblox Studio and open the experience you wish to share with the world. Once your project is loaded, head over to the File menu, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down list that appears, simply click on Game Settings to access the next set of options. This is the crucial first step to getting your creation out there for everyone to enjoy. Now that you're in Game Settings, click on the Basic Info tab. Here, you'll need to decide who the creator of this experience is. You can choose Me for your personal account or select a group if you're collaborating. Most importantly, locate the privacy setting and make sure it is set to public. This single change is what allows other players to find and join your experience. Don't forget to save your changes. Next, let's look at the Monetization tab. If you plan to sell developer products or game passes, this is where you'll manage those. Then, move to the Permissions tab to fine-tune who can access your experience. You might also consider enabling private servers, which allows players to create their own instances of your game for a small fee, offering them more control over their gameplay environment. These settings give you flexibility. After configuring all your settings, remember to click the Save button to apply your changes. Then, it's time to publish your experience to Roblox. You can do this directly from Studio. Once published, it's a good idea to close Studio and open Roblox as a regular player. Search for your experience to confirm it's publicly visible and playable. This final check ensures everything is working as intended for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.